Kodak microfilm, when I started, it had a yellow box and a tin can, and the film was, and this is one of the original film right here, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because this film here, you can tear it just like paper, and that's why they break, even the duplicating film. In 1992, Kodak came out with a stronger film that you can't tear it. So I just want to show you that. And here, this is just a test film that I did here, and if something is going to break, it's going to be at the front of the film, you know. So usually, let's say it's broke just like this. So this is a microfilm splicer. It can be 35 or 16 millimeter film. So what you do, you put this here, through here, line it up here, and then you raise it up and cut it so it will be even. And then the other part, you put this here, and a little bit of leeway, you go over there, that. So you got that line up here, and then I'm just gonna give you an example. When you put the tape, you want to put it on the front and the back. So this here, I'm just using the small one because the bigger ones, I don't know if I can get any more or not. So okay, so you got it lined up right here. So you put the tape in the middle. I'm just doing it as a sample here, but you go all the way across right here, press it down, then you go over here, raise it up, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'll do it this way. I don't like that. Okay, you got it like this, so I want another one here. Okay, so you got it on the front side. I'd use the bigger ones for that. That's the bigger ones here, but I'm just saving that. So I got it on this side. So you want to turn it over, and then you want to, I mean, it's very easy to do. And this splicer really helps. So, and then you get here. Well, I mean, that you can cover the whole thing, but I would just saving the big ones. And here. So you want to do both sides. And then you got a little excess, so I did get a here and here. I don't know if I got that right. So then you got a good strong seal. And by the way, this right here, in 1992, you can't tear it. It won't tear it. So, but you got to also be careful where some of these, the tear may not be just straight. It may be in an angle, or it may be zigzag or anything like that. So that can be harder to do, you know. So just, all you gotta do is just put it in there. You might have to cut off a little bit of the image, you know, but you just set it in here and have a little leeway, open it up, cut it off, and then you have the other side. You got, well, let's say this was broken right here, like this. So you got this one and this one. So you just bring it in here, that, and that. And just a little bit over so you can get it straight here, and leave it there, and then you put the tape here and completely over, turn it over and put the tape on the other side, and you might want to trim it with the scissors, and that's what you do. I mean, that's very easy, but just remember, some of them, it may be in an angle or whatever, and it's a lot harder to do, you know, so just keep in mind on that. But you make sure to put the tape on the front and the back.